Wanted to take a minute to show you how you can add sponsor logos to your race website. This is a great way to add value to your sponsorship packages. You can have it on your title sponsor package. You can have it for all of your sponsorships. I'm going to show you how you can upload logos or just do company names for various levels. We're going to be doing this on the Run with the Pack registration page. So I am on athleteguild.com and I have come to the Run with the Pack registration page. I'm going to start by going to sponsors, click create, type the sponsor name, go to choose file. I like to have a folder where I keep all of my sponsor logos for a specific race, various sizes, various versions, just to make it easy to go grab those sponsor logos for whatever iteration I want to use them for. If it's posting a thank you on social media, if it is creating a flyer, or the larger sized images would potentially be used for creating banners or signs or the graphic to go on the t-shirt. I am loading in on the page Corey Pack State Farm. There are various things you can do on this page. For this video, I'm just showing you how to add the logo. You could add a website here if you wanted to make that part of the sponsor package, that the sponsor would get their name with their logo. I'm going to click save, and you'll see the sponsor logo has been added here. I'm going to add a few more, and then I will show you how you can rearrange the sponsors based on sponsor level. While we're doing this, I also want to show you, sometimes you might get an error message because your graphic is too large. So in this case, I'm going to show you what happens if I load this Lions Club tuber logo. You can see it's 688 KB as opposed to some of the smaller sizes. Sometimes the Athlete Guild system can manage that and can reduce it for you. Sometimes if the file is just too large, it will give you an error message, as you can see here. So it's telling you what size it's seeing it as, that's the smallest it could shrink it down to. So one of the things that I do, and I'm going to move the camera over so you can see, I have Canva open over here, and you can open a 200 by 200 pixel new image and bring in your logo. And this here is a 200 by 200, so I know that it should be small enough already. But if I go to download, if you use Canva, the paid version, you can actually select what you want your file size to be and then download. So now, if I come over here, I did this earlier, like a cooking show, when you put it in the oven, you pull it out of the oven immediately and it's already done. So I'm going to go to choose file, and you'll see I saved it here as smaller tube, and you can see it's 13. So then when I load this in, then you'll see it came in. I'm going to add in taffy. This one I also had to do a smaller version of earlier. I'm going to load in this construction. So now you can see I have several sponsor logos loaded in. But Taffy is actually the organization that is hosting this, and it's a small group of students. So I really want their logo to be first. In this case, you might have different opinions on how you want to do that. But if I click sponsors, you'll see here's the list. And if I click the little crosshairs here and click and drag it up, and then click Save Form, then you'll see it rearranged for me. Also, I know WR Construction paid more than HEB, and San Marcos Lions Club paid more than HEB. So I'm going to go to layout. No. See? I clicked the wrong thing. I go to sponsor. I'm going to move WR up. And then I'm going to move San Marcos Lions Club, and For the Love of Go, and click Save. And you'll see it rearranged. That is a quick video on how to upload sponsor logos to your race registration website page on athleteguild.com. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a super shiny day.